Hi, my name is Marco with the Bread and Butter Trading Program. I'm in charge of new student onboarding. In this module, we are going to walk through how to purchase your funding account. If you are watching the free version of this, please note that it is part of the Bread and Butter Trading Program. This module explains how to buy your funding accounts to day trade futures. However, make sure you purchase the Bread and Butter Trading Program. If you buy these accounts without knowing how to trade, you are just going to waste your money. Just find the link to buy the program. This is the homepage of the funding website. First of all, you can see they pay out millions of dollars every month. While I am filming this, the funding accounts are 90% off. We tell our students to buy as many accounts as they can afford while the promotion lasts. You don't want to blow an account later when the discount drops to 70% or lower. It's best to get them as cheap as possible. The Bread and Butter Trading Program is based on the Tradeovate platform. Do not select the Rhythmic platform, even if they are cheaper. Stick with Tradeovate. When you scroll down to the Tradeovate section, you will see account sizes ranging from $25,000 up to $300,000. We do not recommend purchasing the $25,000 account. The reason is the threshold. You can only lose up to $1,500, which can happen quickly for beginners. Instead, we recommend the $50,000 account. To qualify for a live account, you need to make $3,000, and the threshold is $2,500. This provides more breathing room as you develop your skills. The $50,000 account is listed at $187 a month, but with the 90% discount, it will cost around $19. For example, 5 accounts will cost you approximately $95 per month. 10 accounts will cost around $180 per month. However, you should not be paying monthly for long. Once you pass the evaluation, you won't have any monthly fees. You will have a live account. Budget accordingly. If you have 2 accounts, expect around $40 per month in case you take longer to pass. Okay, we're ready to purchase the funding accounts. Select the $50,000 Tradeovate account. Double check that everything is correct. There are no do-overs once you select an account. Fill in all your information accurately, including your full name, email address, street address, and phone number. No Gmail numbers. Make sure you write down or save your password. Use your real information because when it's time to get paid, your payout and tax documents must match. When entering the discount code, at the checkout, there will be a field to enter a coupon code. For 90% off, type SAVE90. For 80% off, type SAVE80. And pay attention to this part. Do not select, I agree not to use a code. Always apply your discount. Scroll down and check all the required policy boxes, and read the disclaimers and rules for the platform. Make sure you checkmark all the boxes because the system won't allow you to move to the next step. Then at the bottom, click Next. This will take you to the payment page. On here, you want to do one last check to make sure you're buying the correct account. You can see we got a $50,000 account, which is what we wanted. Our discount was applied, giving us a final price of $18 to control $50,000, which is incredible. From this point, you just enter your payment information. When you're done with that, click subscribe and pay. And if you wanted to purchase more accounts, you would just repeat the process. And this is what your account should look like in your dashboard after your purchase. For our students, I went ahead and purchased 8 accounts, and in a future module, I will be showing how to put them in the trade copier to trade all the accounts at one time. That completes this module on how to purchase day trading funding accounts. For our paid students, move to the next module titled, How to Set Up Your Bread and Butter Indicators on the Charts, and if you don't have the program yet, click on the Purchase Program link.